friends, hope everyone's doing alright out there. Here's my, I think it's Bluesbreaker 255 explained. Just a little tutorial at someone, I think it's John 1642 or something, and wanted a tutorial on this, so I'm going to try and give it best as I can. So the positions I use is obviously it's the E minor pentatonic. The guitar's tuned half a step down, just for interest sake, but yeah, you can keep it in standard tuning if you want. So the positions that I use there will be the fourth position of the E minor pentatonic, the fifth position, and then the first position in the 12th from the 12th fret. Right. So we'll start on the fourth position of the E minor pentatonic. On the 10th fret, we'll bend that B. On the B string, the A note, we'll bend that up. And then you play the D note. And you bring in the E note over here. To the G, to the E. Alright. Then you slide up to your D note on the first position, 12th fret. Okay, do the same. So it will be the bend on the D note, the G note, the A note. You let the bend go, the D bend, to the B note. Then you slide to the B note. You end it off with whatever to stay in the scale, or just back to basically an E. Cool. All my stuff is minor pentatonic based, blues stuff based. Yeah, and it's just when I record these shorts, I do like 5 or 6 of them in a row, so it's all just off the top of my head. So it's not something that I sit and practice for hours to get it perfect. You'll see on all my shorts there's loads of mistakes. It's not perfect. I'd prefer to have mistakes because I think it's more real then, and you can make your own conclusion or your own ideas out of it. So yeah, that's at that run explained. So it's basically just keep it in the E minor pentatonic shapes, and yeah, hope that explains it a little bit for John. John, I hope that's good enough for you. If not, let me know and I'll try and do it better. Have fun. Cheers.